Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. You may not think of the desert as having much in the way of fall color, but there are many plants that do well here that have wonderful color. Because of the cooling temperatures, many of the cactus varieties will bloom this time of year, and many of the succulent varieties start changing colors with the cooling weather. Plants such as the autumn sage produce flowers of red, pink, and lavender colors, as do the many penstemon varieties. The desert ruellia and varieties of the Texas sage or Texas rangers produce purple to lavender colored flowers. The desert cassia and the native turpentine bush have yellow flowers. And the also native desert willow has a beautiful orchid flower. The globe mallow has an orange flower, and the Baja fairy duster flowers red this time of year. There are many plants that have been brought into our desert that have great fall color. Some of the tree varieties that show good fall color are the raywood ash, which turns a burgundy color in the fall, and the Chinese pistache that turns yellow and orange. The red push pistache turns even darker to a purplish red color. Eastern redbud and honey locust turn a bright yellow in the fall. Crepe myrtles come in many flowering colors, but their leaves turn a beautiful yellow and orange color this time of year. Check out some of the other fall shrubs and vines that we have that are also attractive this time of year. Heavenly bamboo or nandina varieties turn shades of yellow, orange, and red with the colder weather. Pyracantha berries are turning orange and red, looking like ornaments against their dark green foliage during the fall and winter holidays. And deciduous vines such as Boston ivy are turning reds and purples in the fall. So with these few examples, along with the many fall seasonal color plants, such as garden mums, ornamental kale, pansies, and primrose, you can see a lot of fall color in our desert communities. For more varieties and information, check out our free Star Note number 305 at starnursery.com or on our free app for your phone. And don't forget, we make house calls. Visit your local Star Nursery location or call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. I'm Dr. Q, and I'll see you next week.